Today, we're diving into the question, does In-N-Out do DoorDash? It's a query that's on the minds of many fast food aficionados and DoorDash users alike. So, let's unwrap this burger mystery together. First off, let's understand the main players here. In-N-Out. Burger is a beloved fast food chain known for its fresh, high-quality burgers, fries, and shakes. DoorDash, on the other hand, is a popular food delivery service that partners with restaurants to bring meals directly to customers' doors. Now, directly to the meat of the matter. As of my knowledge cutoff in 2023, In-N-Out Burger does not officially partner with DoorDash for its delivery services. This decision is rooted in In-N-Out's strong emphasis on quality and customer experience. The chain takes pride in ensuring that their burgers and fries are served fresh, and they believe that the best dining experience comes from visiting one of their locations in person. However, it's not uncommon to see In-N-Out items listed on DoorDash from time to time, but this is through a workaround rather than an official partnership. Some DoorDash drivers may place an order at In-N-Out on behalf of a customer and then deliver it, though this method doesn't have the chain's endorsement. This can lead to discrepancies in service quality, accuracy, and the overall delivery experience, which In-N-Out wants to avoid. The takeaway here is that while you might occasionally find a way to get In-N-Out delivered via DoorDash, it's not a service that the burger chain officially recognizes or supports. This stance reflects In-N-Out's dedication to quality control and preserving the integrity of their dining experience. In wrapping up, the question of whether In-N-Out does DoorDash isn't just a yes or no answer. It's a reflection of In-N-Out's commitment to their values and quality standards. For the freshest experience, they encourage a visit to one of their locations. Thank you for tuning in. This dive into the relationship between In-N-Out and DoorDash sheds light on how major brands maintain their quality and customer service standards in the age of on-demand food delivery. Whether you're craving a double-double or just curious about the logistics of fast food, understanding these dynamics can enhance your dining experiences. Until next time, keep those taste buds curious.